Okay, so last week we worked on repeat, which I see many of you have gotten down perfectly, and it actually will let you pass this using that. So this person has passed with the semi-green. But there's actually an easier way to do this. So right now we have down here, this little bit isn't being used. It says collect row, and it's like, what is that, right? And then up here we have the move forward, get nectar 2 times, and repeat 2 times. But we can make this look even simpler. So we're going to start from the beginning. And when you start from the beginning, this is what you'll see. So the first thing to notice here is it says repeat, and we don't have a number in there, but it says collect row. And then collect, the way to think of it is collect row is like, you can reuse that as many times as you want without having to copy and paste all of it. So see, collect row, whenever it says collect row, it means do all of this. So right now we have collect row, and it's telling us to repeat. We have to figure out how many times, move forward, then however many times get nectar, then however many times make honey, and then finally a turn left. So if you look at the layout here, it's actually really simple because everything is in 2s. So it's move forward 1, 2, then 2 pollens or nectars, and then 2 honeys. Then turn left, 1, 2, 2 nectars, 2 honeys. Turn left, 1, 2, 2 nectars, 2 honeys. So everything is 2s. So we just need to set our gather to 2, and then in our variables we're going to have our gather definer here. So we're going to take that and put it into this repeat, which means now repeat gather times, and we know from up here gather is equal to 2, so it's going to repeat that 2 times, move forward, right? 1, 2, perfect. Now we need to collect the nectar 2 times. Look, repeat, get nectar. We want to do that 2 times, so we're going to put a gather in there. And then down here, same thing. We want the honey 2 times as well. So we're going to do the same thing. And this is all set. So now, just to give you an example, I'm going to put, we need to put a repeat in here somehow. So I'm going to just put, let's just do 1. Let's just do it 1 time to make sure it works. So now, what it's doing is, I mean, obviously I haven't gone far enough, but what it's doing is it's repeating collect row 1 time. This is what collect row is. So think of it as like, it's like a reference, right? It's like calling out this line of instructions, right? It would be instead of having to type it all out, it has this stored over here, and it just, in the main code, it just references it. It just says, okay, collect row, I know that collect row means do all this stuff on this list. So now I just need to find the right amount of times to do this, and I'll let you guys figure that part out. I think you can probably handle that. But there you go, and now look at how simple that code is. It's literally just 1, 2, 3 lines. So there you go.